For years, they couldn't even stand on the same stage. But today, Ghana witnessed something nobody expected. Stonebwoy and Shatta Wale together on one stage. That is epic.
We're gonna take some photos, please. We'll do that right now before we get upstairs.
Guys, in fact, this wasn't just music. This wasn't just entertainment. This was history in the making. Because at the Ghana World Cup fundraising launch, something powerful happened, and that is two of Ghana's biggest dancehall giants, once divided by rivalry, tension, and unforgettable clashes, stood side by side, and nothing happened. And don't forget to be your own boss by getting yourself this burgundy straight lace wig and this copper orange straight lace front ridge. For just 75 USD, you can start your own hair business and be your own boss. Contact Big G Hair in Vietnam, no middleman. Just pick the WhatsApp number, chat them, and they have branches in Ghana and Nigeria.
Guys, if you've enjoyed this video so far, please do me a huge favor and hit the like button and subscribe. These videos take quite a long time to make, so if you could help me out, I'll love you forever. Thank you all for your support. Now let's get back to this crazy story.
Now, this is not just a music story. This is a national movement. Why? Because at the Ghana World Cup fundraising launch, something happened that changed the conversation forever. Two giants, two movements, and two legacies. Shatta Movement and Bhim Nation. Finally coming face to face. In fact, let's rewind and know how it all started. So,
the winner of Reggae Dancehall Artist of the Year,
just a rivalry. In fact, this is one of the most intense rivalries in African music or African history, which can even be compared to what happened in America. And throughout this journey, there was this song to Fan War Music Awards, which blew Ghana music away. Eventually led to the ban of these two people. Eventually, Stonebwoy rejoined, but Shatta Wale decided not to join. And for a moment, everything between Shatta Wale and Stonebwoy felt personal. Fans picked sides, friendships were broken, and one question kept coming up, that will these two ever unite, or will they ever be seen on one stage together? But fast forward now, at the Ghana World Cup fundraising launch, the room was full, the energy was already high. Then suddenly, Kofi Adams called both names, and just like that, Stonebwoy stepped forward, Shatta Wale also stepped forward.
Shatta, to join me. Now see, Stonebwoy, Kweku,
We're going to take some photos, please. We'll do that right now before they get upstairs. Alright, please. And before the photographs, we're going to get some messages.
I've just been alerted. I didn't have that information earlier. What is here? Please join us. Thank you so much.
Group picture, innit? Let's take pictures. Group. Silence. Danger. She love premium. Silence samurai. Forget everybody.
Same stage, same moment, and same spotlight, just for the World Cup and for the unity of Ghana. And there was no shouting, no tension, no drama whatsoever, just presence, respect, and power. And that was when the crowd went wild. People even couldn't believe their eyes, because for the first time in so many years, this wasn't about who is bigger. This was about Ghana. And maybe this is even bigger than music, because if two rivals can come and stand together, then what does that say about the US? What does that say about the unity, about growth, about putting pride aside and pushing something greater, which is the Black Stars, the nation, and the future? And immediately social media exploded. People were shocked, some were emotional, and others even just didn't trust it. With people posting comments like, "Is this real? Hey, finally Ghana wins. Hey, this is history." And one moment the whole country was talking. Stonebwoy even took turn to address the crowd.
Fundraising committee and everybody gathered here this evening. It gives me a lot of joy and privilege to be representing right here and being a part of this beautiful initiative. You know, I do not know how many lifetimes that we have as people, but to be alive here now and being a part of this very great calling, trust me, I needed to wear my Christmas dress. I was not going to wait for December. I represent here as a boy from Ashaiman who actually loves.
At this point, let me introduce to you the burgundy straight lace wig and the copper orange straight lace front wig. Start your own business, be your own boss, because the hair business is booming in Africa. This is just $75, and when you buy this, you can sell it for around $120 to $200 anywhere in Africa. Just pick the WhatsApp number and chat us now. But the real question is this true peace or just a moment for the cameras? Is the beef really over, or is this just the beginning of something new? Drop your comment in the comment section. And if you believe Ghana is bigger than rivalry, hit the like button, subscribe, share, and let me know what you think in the comment section. It's a wrap for today.